Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add quantity button on Wix. So let's get started. So this quantity button in here is, you can see right here. So this will only be available if the actual product is around more than one stock. So if you have two stocks and more, you should be able to add in a quantity right here. Now, in order to edit this specific product, you can just click on this specific product and click on Manage Products right here. And then this will open your Wix dashboard. Alternatively, you can just head over your Wix dashboard and just click on the products right here under the store products. It will direct you to the same page that will enable you to edit your products in here. So after this done loading, you can see all the products that I have. So in here, this is a stickers product that I have on my website. So I'll click on these three dots and then click on this edit product right here. Now, once I have done that, this will load the actual main component of the product. So when I scroll down, so let's try to scroll down, and then from in here, you can see your variants, pre-order, and all of that. So you can also check in your inventory. So we have here the pricing. So under the product variants right here, you can edit it. And then in the inventory right here, you can see some options for 30 pieces of black, 40 pieces of purple. So you can just make sure that you have more than two variants or more than two quantities for your specific product. So let's right now see what this will look like on our website. So let's try to click on the preview right here in order to see how to add the specific quantity. So for example, we have this. So you can put the arrow up or arrow down in order to add quantity. And then when you add the cart, you first need to make sure that you have selected the variant of the specific thing and then click on add to cart. Once you have done that, it will be added to your cart with your total subtotal right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add quantity button on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.